Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google name servers on your Chromebook. Right, there are two ways to go to the screen. So one is to open your settings app and under network, click on the Wi-Fi network that you're connected to, and then click and expand that. And under network, scroll down to name servers, and then you can select Google name servers. So you have to do this for each Wi-Fi network, right? So in this example, um, this is the name of the Wi-Fi network that I'm connected to, and I'm opting to use Google name servers for that Wi-Fi network. Another easy way to reach this screen is to come here, click on the drop down, and then you'll see the list of Wi-Fi networks, and then select your Wi-Fi network that you want to change to Google name servers. And in the same way, expand the network tab, scroll down and select Google name servers. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel for more Chromebook how-to videos.